Hello friends, so in today's question, in the arrangement shown in the figure, there is no friction between mass of 2m and ground. Here 2m is B and ground, but there is a friction between the blocks of mass small m, which is A, and mass 2m, that is B. The value of the coefficient of friction between m and 2m is, and there is one line missing in this question, which should be if the block A is to remain on the top of block B. Okay. So this condition is to be satisfied, and we have to find out the coefficient of friction between A and B. Okay. So in this case, let us assume that block A and B move together. Let block A and B move together with acceleration which is given as small a. So we can, this is about A plus B, and because it will be moving towards right side because of this tension T, and the acceleration is given as A. So based on this, we can write the equation that T will be the driving force, and the mass of A is m and B is 2m. So we can say that m plus 2m into A, so which gives us that the tension will be equal to 3ma. And further, let us also draw the free body diagram for block C. So we can say that for block C, so this is your block C, the downward direction there will be mcg, and there will be tension T, and it will be coming down with the acceleration A. We can say that mcg minus T will be equal to mca, and we substitute the value of tension T, which is 3ma, and mc is equal to m. So we can say that mg minus T is 3ma is equal to ma, and from here mg will be equal to 4 times ma. Okay. Now let us talk about the blocks A and B. It is said that they will be moving together. Okay. So we can say that for, or we can, in other words, we can say block A will move together with block B because of the friction force. Because of friction force. So it means this is block A, and this is our block B. So force of friction will move block A and block B together. Okay, force of friction, which is given as Fr, and there is a tangent T on it. Because of the force of friction towards the right side, there will be a pseudo force acting on block A. So you can say that, therefore, a pseudo force will act on block A towards left side. Towards left. So there will be a pseudo force in this direction, whose value will be equal to MA, and this will be our pseudo force. Now we want that the block A should be traveling or moving along with the block B, which means it should be always on top of block B. So for block A to be moving with block B, the pseudo force should be equal to frictional force. Say that pseudo force should be equal to friction force. Pseudo force is given as MA and friction force is given as Fr. And for block A, we are going to have MAG in the downward direction, and there will be a normal NA, and this is our friction Fr. So the value of Fr will be equal to mu NA, and NA will be equal to MAG. So from here we can find out that Fr will be equal to mu mg. And we also know the value of MA. Okay, you can see, but MA is equal to, it was coming as mg divided by 4, but MA is equal to mg divided by 4. So substituting value of MA as well as Fr, this we get mg divided by 4 is equal to mu mg, and this cancels out, so you get friction is equal to 1 by 4. So this is the value of the coefficient of the friction for mu is equal to 1.4. Block A remains on the top of block B. So this completes the question. Thank you.